you ever heard of ducking Jeeps? It is such a fun thing in the Jeep community where you go around and you leave cute little ducks, rubber duckies just like this one, on people's Jeep to tell them that they have a cool Jeep. It's really, really fun and I am completely addicted. Hi everyone, I'm Katie the Crafty Blog Stalker, and in today's episode we are making duck Jeep tags to put on our cute little ducks so I can go out and duck some more Jeeps. These cute duck Jeep tags I designed and are available as a free printable download, and I'll have that link in the description of this video. So all you have to do is go and print this out. I printed it on yellow paper because that's what I had, but of course you can also print this on white paper as well. I'm gonna bring in my paper trimmer. Now I love this paper trimmer because there is this thin little wire in here. I know you probably can't see it, but it will show me exactly where I'm going to cut so I know that I won't mess up. And on this printable, there is a very faint line, so you know where to cut. So all you have to do is line up that wire with the line in the printable and just cut. So first we're going to cut all the way around, and then we're going to cut our little tags into squares. Here are all of my cute little tags. Now one thing I like to do before I attach them to the duck is on the back, I like to put my Instagram handle, which is at the Crafty Blog Stalker, so they can tag me if they want. And where I am, we have a local Facebook group that's called Duck Jeep Utah. So I'm going to go ahead and put that hashtag as well so I can tell people where to go to post their picture. I'm going to go ahead and put that information on the back of all of my tags. Now what I want to do is put a little hole in that upper left-hand corner. So I'm just going to make sure they're all going the right direction here. And I've got a hole punch. And we're just going to punch a little hole in those. And to save a little time, I'm doing a couple at a time. Now I'm going to bring in all my cute little duckies. They're all so cute. There are lots of fun places that you can go to buy duckies. You can get them from Oriental Trading. You can get big mixed bags from Amazon that have lots of different designs and characters. Those are my favorite. But you can also even get them at secondhand stores. I found several at secondhand stores that are super cheap. To attach our tags to our rubber duckies, I've got this random bag of different sized rubber bands. And we're going to grab a rubber band and we're going to kind of flatten it. Okay, and then we're going to stick that through the hole of our tag. And then when we fold it over, we have this loop right there. And then we simply just put that loop around our ducky's neck. And there he has a cute little tag. Duck Jeep, you've been ducked by a fellow Jeeper who thinks you have a sweet Jeep. Post a pic to Insta or Facebook using the hashtag DuckJeep. See, they are super simple to make. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the rest of my tags to my duckies. And there are all of my cute Jeep, my duck Jeeps, or my duck Jeeps. There we go. They're all so cute. Now I am ready to go duck some Jeeps. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. While you're here, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. And of course, you can always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting!